Timmy Rose Abelia, and our topic for tonight is Itera Bio, Itera BioLite. And like our dean have mentioned, most of us, this is really an amazing topic, although not so much familiar for most of us. And I'm very grateful that I have this opportunity given to be your professor tonight because number one, I'm the first one learning. Yeah. Okay, let's get it on. First, we will be basically having 5 parts, or should I say 4 parts. First is the introduction, and then what is BioLite, and the main functions, and of course the do's and don'ts of our Bio and BioLite. So to start with, let us have this first, the the general idea, why do we need Itera Bio or the Itera BioLite. For now, before we proceed to the product itself, just a little background of specifically next to this slide about why the Chinese medicine are really open to this kind of, they're the first one who really have this they're open of this kind of in terms of really addressing any discomfort of the body. Basically, 70% of population are suffering from sub-health status. So, of course, this is very common: fatigue, anxiety, headache, dizziness, inability to concentrate, memory loss, gout, body feeling, heaviness kasi masarap kumain, bloating, abdominal pain, indigestion, constipation, low body temperature, fatigue, and irregular menstruation. So these are very common, and I believe most of Asian, not just Asian, but also international countries, I believe we have this. Now, like I have mentioned, let's first look into the principle of sickness in traditional Chinese medicine, because this is very connected and very relevant later. You'll be hearing some of this words or status in our body later on as we discuss the features and the main function of Bio and BioLite. So, deficiency leads to cold. And of course, when our body is cold, it leads to dampness. So, kumbaga, para siyang basa-basa, no? And then the dampness will lead to condensation. So, doon na parang nagpapawis, okay? And then the condensation will lead to blood stasis. What is stasis? The slowing down or the imbalance of the flow, okay? So, when there is already imbalance, then from blood stasis, it becomes blockage. So doon na siya, there's no more flow. We always hear that, especially with our previous product features, diba? With our Itera Care. And of course, from the blockage, it becomes tumor and tumor to cancer. Conclusion: severe sickness is the accumulation of ailments. Yon. So no wonder why all of our products are really addressing specific root cause of all the blockage. We hear the circulation, because that's it. Basically, if there's something that we will remember tonight, it's just an accumulation of ailments. So if we can gather all the, if we can address the ailment one at a time, then there will be no accumulation. So deficiency, tired, lack of energy, lobat ka na, pagod ka na, cold, afraid of cold. So lagi kang giniginaw, there's no more fan, or, that happens to me, wet as if they're wearing clothes. So, lagi kang nag-feeling yung parang lagi kang, parang, bakit para ako nagpapawis? Congealing, grabe, interesting. What's the meaning of congealing? Means a change from liquid or soft state to a thick or solid state. Ayun. So, with the flow, pagkaroon pala ng congealing, that's why the body is prone to soreness and pain, which we call also frozen, mga frozen na, di ba? Frozen shoulder, frozen this, because yung liquid nagiging solid. Stasis, of course, we mentioned kanina, the slowing or the imbalance. So yung body aches, numbness, swelling, pain, and mixed body discomfort. Of course, malignant tumors are prone to mutate to cancer. And of course, the cancer, medyo terrible na talaga. So it may be too late. So all of these things, the good news is we are so blessed and privileged to have this amazing product. Ayan. So let's be ready. Now, having said all of that, Introducing, of course, our iTera Bio upgraded version activates the cellular energy. So let's discuss what the iTera Bio, okay, does, or ito yung the main function or the benefit, okay? So dispels cold and dampness, cells activation, promotes circulation, diathermy, fat burner. Okay, what is diathermy? Diathermy means deep heating or therapeutic treatment that uses electric current. Wow, amazing, no? So, ang ating bio po and BioLite is a diathermy fat burner, okay? And it promotes metabolism, ayan, and relieves inflammation. So, of course, this is not the proper forum for testimonies, but me and my husband, we really have a lot of testimony regarding all of this. And of course, last but not the least, it purifies the body. So, isa-isahin po natin yan. Let's discuss them, okay? Next, ayan. Okay, I'm sorry, before we discuss that, bakit merong mga function or those function that we just saw, how can the bio do that? Basically, because of our technology. So in our iTera Bio, we have 3 technologies as well, but there's an additional, kumbaga, there's a feature. We will be sharing that in a while. Energy 1 is the terahertz waves. Of course, if you attended the terahertz, it was discussed what is the terahertz. Basically, siya po yung re-resonate. So same frequency as our body and the terahertz. The negative ions, I believe we will also have that. We will be discussing because that is found in our ion shield. So it's also known as air vitamins besides the purifying of the air. So wow, amazing. So can you imagine, it is present in our bio and BioLite. And of course, this is one unique feature, which is the graphene far infrared ray, because what it does, it rapidly increases the temperature of the skin surface, accelerates blood circulation, relieves muscle tension, and relieves pain. So these are the feature, but one unique feature that we always hear, especially if we attend the presentation, is the PEMF, okay, which is pulsed electromagnetic field that increases cellular growth and gene proliferation. So ito po, we always hear this. They use this in NASA, as we can see, and there's a lot of readings. So you can do your own readings as well. What is PEMF? Medyo nosebleed na siya, but it's very, very important. And one of it, I cannot share everything, but just to give a little glimpse, it's so amazing. Because PEMF has different types of waveforms, including, so basically, if you can see here, the one in the green, it's so medical or technical, but what it says here, it is already being used, okay? Being used in the modalities, including the therapeutic, kumbaga, acceptance that it can really help the body. So there are the authors and all, I place them there. So it's very amazing. PEMF, one of electromagnetic field therapeutic modalities, is low frequency fields with specific waveforms and amplitudes ranging. So nandyan po siya lahat, you can study, but it's so amazing because bottom line, if you want to put it in one term, it's like you are grounding on the floor. Ibig sabihin, the soil out there, the same way that we have it in our here, kumbaga, in our nature. So it mimics the same way that pag nag-grounding ka, when you go to the beach, it really has that feature. So grabe, that's one of the most exciting of our bio and BioLite. Now, just to nail the resonance, okay? Resonance means two or more objects vibrate together at the same frequency. Okay, so resonance happens when one object vibrates, the other object with similar frequency follows. So very, very important. That's why later on, we will see that there are do's and don'ts. There are situations where we have to be careful for those who will be using the bio and BioLite, because our bio and BioLite really has something to do with the resonance. So pag yung frequency medyo hindi nagre-resonate, well, that's why it's not very effective. So there might be some discomfort. Okay, so this one is very important. I believe we always hear this for with our products, especially our star products, the Itera Care, but also it is so much present with our bio and BioLite. Okay, now we proceed to our third, I believe the third, which is the main functions. The main functions is antibacteria, of course, warming, dispelling, reducing, gustong-gusto natin marinig, purifying, and beautifying. Wow, amazing. Okay, now let's do it one by one and discuss them. First is antibacteria and wellness. So tens of millions of negative ions, basically, siya po ang responsible doon po sa antibacteria. So as we can see, other fungal infection, athlete's foot, sweaty feet, of course, our feet is one of the most, kumbaga, dirtiest because it goes anywhere else, diba? So there's a term here, spa, in depth from foot to entire body. So, di ba po, pag nagpapaspa tayo, normally it's just the foot. But right now, in this case, we can have the whole body spa. That's why it's called in-depth. Okay, so that's the first feature. It is antibacterial. Second, warming, which is the far infrared ray, is the one responsible. Graphene far infrared can penetrate 3 to 4 cm under the skin and is easily absorbed by the tissues. Wow. Rapidly increase the surface temperature and accelerate the subcutaneous blood circulation. What the subcutaneous means? Beneath or under layers of skin. So kaya po niya, wow, kaya niya po i-accelerate. So rapidly, mabilis po. So kaya po niya kahit under the skin with all the blood circulation, kaya po 3 to 4 cm po yung kanyang penetration. That means kahit na sobrang marami na or makapal po yung ating mga kailangan i-circulate dyan, it can be helped by our bio. Number 2, relieves muscle tension, relieves pain, regulates autonomic nerves, increase metabolism, okay, enzyme activity, and promotes vasodilation. So, yan po yung mga naririnig po natin na mga blockage, no? Microvascular. So all of this, we always hear this when there is discomfort in our body, as we have discussed a while ago. That's why before it leads to any heavy, kumbaga, disease, it first starts as an ailment. Sorry about that. Okay, so next to our warming, of course, is our dispelling. Dispels cold and dampness or relieves inflammation. So basically, by the word itself, tinatanggal, dispels, no? Increase the number of white blood cells to enhance its sterilization ability and anti-inflammatory effect. Wow. When injected into the nerve, it numbs the nerve and relieves various types of pain caused by excessive nerve tension. It dilates blood vessels, reduces blood flow resistance and blood viscosity, improves microcirculation, increases the ability of oxygen storage and carbon dioxide elimination to allow the transportation of nutrition to the whole body. As such, our organ functions and immune system can be restored at optimum level, is therefore reduces our chances of getting diseases. So if you have tried the bio or BioLite, the one that says in the number 1, you feel like there's a feeling of numbness. So yun na po pala yun, the nerves, diba? Akala mo it's so painful. Why is it like being numb and then suddenly parang there's discomfort because that's what it does already when injected into the nerve. So basically the dispelling, that is what's happening when we feel that when we use our bio and BioLite, that is what's happening now, the dispelling. Okay, so now we have an understanding, and then we know that it's normal as long as there's no discomfort. Kumbaga, kaya mo pa siya, you can continue. Later on, actually, we'll discuss more about the do's and don'ts. Okay? Number 3, reducing. So, yan na po yung mga naririnig natin, the fat burning and body shaping. So, basically, bakit kaya niya na may mga testimony that we hear na naglulose ng weight? Basically, it acts on motor nerves, encourages the rhythmic contractions and relax of muscles to accelerate blood circulation and nutrient metabolism processes of muscle tissue. So as you can read all of that, the main point of that, when we do the gym or when we do exercises, ang nangyayari po, parang nagko-contract, especially for moms, we understand what is contraction when we're about to give birth. So ang nangyayari, para pong kumbaga, yung relaxing of the muscle niya, hindi lang po relax, but it accelerates. So, ibig sabihin po, yung acceleration niya, buong katawan, hindi lang from the foot goes up, and then it's so amazing because as you can see in number 3, it decomposes extra fat cells and eliminates. So while that's happening, everything is happening at the same time because of the reducing factor of our bio. Isn't it amazing? And the good thing about it, it does not just eliminate the toxin, but also it nourishes the spleen and stomach. So you know that when you are doing the bio and BioLite, it is intelligent enough to finish the process. Okay, so not the usual fat burning that the muscles are left not toned. Ayan. Why? As you can see in the number 4, reconciles chi and blood, creates a virtuous circulation in the body. So, kumbaga, ano niya, kaya niyang ibalik kung ano man yung dapat ibalik. So it eliminates toxins, but it helps the body to fight. And so it's really amazing. And of course, the free radical, and you can look younger. Actually, later, the beautification is still there. But next is purifying. Ayan, purifies the body. It accelerates blood circulation, rapidly metabolizes and eliminates acidic substances in the body, alkalizes the blood, of course, catabolizes, grabe po, no? Cholesterol, triglycerides, and other substances adhere to the blood vessel wall and improves the internal environment. So as you can see in our example here, in our illustration, you will see that the clearing of stasis and blockage. Remember, stasis means the slowing down or the imbalance of the flow. So pag medyo mabagal na po yung flow, syempre nagkakaroon ng blockage. So kaya ma-purify. The purifying can be done by our bio and BioLite. Wow, that's one of the features. And of course, it can detoxify the colon, as we can see a while ago on the reducing part. And kasama na rin po yung fat burning. And of course, eliminates toxins. Wow, amazing. Now, ito na po, one of our favorite, or most of us, beauty and anti-aging. Removes freckle and wrinkle, removes dark circles and eye bags. Skin becomes more radiant and elastic. And skin becomes lighter, moist, and rosy. Detoxification and accelerating metabolism, activating blood and cells, regulates body from inside out. So in short, the bioenergies can activate cell vitality, stimulate collagen regeneration, delay skin aging, and smooth wrinkles. So, sa Tagalog pa, alam na this. If we are doing or using our bio and BioLite consistently every day, well, we will have all those function or all those main benefits that we have just discussed. Now, moving on, now that we have already learned that is the benefits of our bio, let's now proceed to some of the features physical feature, and at the same time, the do's and don'ts, okay? Number one, high-end and core technology. So as you can see here, it has a self-start detection, breakpoint memory, easy to continue. That means kapag in-on po, if we switch it on and two of our foot already are placed there, automatically it will start. So very, like I said, intelligent. And this is interesting, the IMD, in-mold decoration. Wow, what is IMD? A specialty type of plastic molding in decorating plastic surfaces with color or abrasion-resistant coat. Wow! So, yun pala po ang ginamit sa ating Bio and BioLite. So, meron po siyang abrasion-resistant. So, nakakatuwa because it is very, it's not like just making the product, okay, pwede na yan. It's made with excellence. Ayan. Okay. So, are you still there? Yes? We're all learning? Now, moving on, our Bio and BioLite, of course, went through test reports. Of course, it's all in Chinese, but you can have this if you want to see them. And of course, different kinds of tests regarding the radiation as well. We have the radiation test on the levels of our bio. I believe this is supposed to be a video, but we can ask the office regarding that. And this is one unique thing. Can you imagine our unique patents? There are patents code. So patent code, you can even search it if you want. It's not just one type, each of it. So all the kind of patent you can see there. So 2, 4, at least we have 6 provided here. So these are, that means the bio by itself don't just have one patent. It is patented as an ergonomic healthcare equipment. It can also be like a microcurrent foot therapy device with good insulation performance. So, grabe po, we were given this kind of product that is, again, not just for the sake of producing a product. So with this, we can see that it is patented. That means there's a lot of tests that went through for us to achieve or to have this patents. Ayan. Okay. So, who need it most? Ayan. Sino po bang nangangailangan? I believe lahat po. But mainly cold and dampness body condition, if you're an office worker, postpartum mother, obese people, beauty lovers, middle-aged and elderly people, sitting or standing for a long time, person with hypertension, high cholesterol, and high blood sugar. Because if we were aware, or if we were paying attention a while ago, all the benefits there are addressing all of these conditions. Yes. So if you can see and go back to that, because most of us, especially working from home, sitting and standing, yung flow and nagkakaroon po ng blood stasis, nagsuslow na rin po yung circulation. Okay, so it is suitable for home or therapy or beauty salon, if you have a spa, rehabilitation center, activity center, and office. So it's really very, it is a must actually. If you have, you have a place where you always go to, like it was mentioned, it would be good to have one. For example, if you have an office and you have a home, one for each, so that you don't need to transport. That's how it is very, very needful. It's not anymore just a want, but this product right now, especially in our time, it is very needful. Okay, so now moving on, the not recommended under the following conditions. So again, based on the benefits, as you can see, it promotes blood circulation. It promotes, in a sense, for layman's term, melting of things there. So to be sure, the same way that we have our disclaimer for a product, it's more or less the same here, like pregnancy, under children under 10 years old, temperature, of course, kung may fever, 38 and above, kung mainit na, because it promotes, remember, there's heat, there's warming, disorders of the consciousness. One reason here, I believe, will be discussed later on, but he or she might not be able to distinguish the discomfort happening already. And of course, heart implant, the pulmonary dysfunction, cataract lenses, bleeding wounds, and metal implants. Because again, we might not know what will be the effect, okay? Since there is warming. Okay, now the last part, the do's and don'ts of using Itera Bio. Of course, people who use life-sustaining artificial heart and lung machines and other health equipment are prohibited to use. So, ibig sabihin yung meron na pong oxygen, okay? People who suffer from bleeding tendency and bleeding illness are advised to use it cautiously. People who are sensitive to heat, of course, are suggested to be accompanied by family members. People who implanted with cardiac pacemaker, metallic artificial organs, and embedded with metallic parts inside the body are prohibited to use. People with severe heart disease are advised to use cautiously. And during operation, please turn off the power switch of the machine immediately in case of emergencies such as power failure and fault, etc. So for our safety, once it's really something happened, you know, you don't understand, you don't feel, there's a discomfort, you just have to switch it off, okay? There's a switch, okay, in our bio. Should you feel abnormal or uncomfortable with the use of the machine on your body, please stop using it immediately. I've mentioned it a while ago, not recommended for children. So these are already the things that we have discussed a while ago. But in addition to that, number 9, please do not touch the working parts of the machine with metallic objects. So, for example, you have anything metallic, okay, and you're wearing it, and when you switch it on, just don't touch the machine because there's like a slight ground. I've experienced that. In case of smoke or peculiar smell during operation, please turn it off, power of machine, immediately, and contact the after-sales service personnel to solve the relevant problems. During operation, both feet should fully contact with energy board. Single point contact with energy board is strictly prohibited to avoid burns. Okay. The energy board is the one that you see. Later, I'll be showing it. So, kailangan po nakalapat siya. Both of the feet, fully contact, nakaganon. Wala pong naka-up na konti. It's really fully. That's what it meant by both feet should fully contact. Okay? And then, when it's already there, wag pong hahawakan to avoid burns. So, it's really kind of discomfort. User guide and precautions of Itera Bio device. So very important. Ako po, there are some that it's my first time to, I've been using it already. Bio, by the way, Bio and BioLite, it's all the same, except there are 2 features which we'll discuss on the last part. But the rest of what we have discussed is the feature and the main function of Bio and BioLite, except of the 2 features, okay? Which later on I will show on the last part. I repeat. Who can use? It is essential for all users to be aware that the Itera Bio or BioLite device may not be suitable for individuals with certain physical and medical conditions listed in this guide. Okay, so I know we have already mentioned it a while ago, but just to reiterate how important to know, okay? Number 1, individuals who experienced cardiopulmonary dysfunction in the past, individuals with neurological disabilities or impairments, individuals with high body temperature exceeding 38 Celsius, individuals who rely on life-sustaining artificial heart-lung machines and other similar equipment, individuals with cardiac pacemakers and other metal artificial organs as well as metal implants, children or individuals who are unable to communicate effectively kasi baka mamaya may nangyayari na and then they cannot communicate. So, wag na muna natin kahit na they're above 10 years old naman siya, sabi not below. So this goes under that. Individuals with sensory impairment or sensory disturbance. So if they cannot feel sensory, yung, diba, you know, the sensory, pag hindi siya nakakaramdam ng init or lamig, it is advisable not to use, okay? Individuals who have undergone tumor or cancer cell tissue treatment such as thyroid cancer, breast cancer, etc. Use with caution if you are experiencing any of the following symptoms. Those with bleeding tendencies, such as patients with uterine or uterine fibroids, menstrual period, etc. Kasi nga po, di ba, it promotes blood circulation so much. Those who are insensitive to heat, such as intervertebral, okay, alam nyo na yan. Those who are incapable of taking care of themselves, So inulit lang po those with diabetes or high blood pressure, because again, all of this situation or discomfort of the body might cause some more discomfort simply because the patient or the client need to understand first the difference of what he or she is feeling. So we have some experiences na hindi niya nasabi that she's a diabetes. So with that, she doesn't know if it's cold or hot or mainit na ba sobra, kahit i-adjust namin. So let us just be cautious regarding that. Okay? Preparation for use, user guide and precautions. So ito na po, when we're about to use it. It is recommended that all users must adjust the intensity of the energy meter from low to high gradually. Avoid directly going to a high level to prevent the user from experiencing excessive exercise reactions such as dizziness, shortness of breath, nausea, vomiting. So I'm trying to get, can I have the sample? I believe it's not here. There's a heat, okay? There's a heat intensity. So what it says here, when you start, and especially it's your first time, go with 1. And maybe few minutes. If you're okay, go with 2, and then go with 3. So especially if it's your first time. Of course, if ongoing like me, I've been using it every day for how many months already? The moment I use it, I go to number 10. So, but this is what it says, that let us just be responsible of how to use it, especially if we are having these kinds of situations. Users are advised to drink enough water, at least 2 glasses before the session, to prevent adverse reactions such as dehydration due to excessive usage exposure. So like in our case, we really drink 1 whole 7 Wonder Flasks before and after. So very, very important. Yung water po, very important, because there are times that when we're using it, you're really sweating like anything. So remember, that's also excreting water, okay? Yes, so it's very important to drink water. When using, letter C, in case of any discomfort during use, it is advised to immediately switch off the power. There you go again. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, our Pride family, let us be responsible. When we feel any discomfort right away, let's switch it off if there is really a discomfort, okay? Special precautions. By the way, this discomfort, wag mo nang isipin, ano kaya yun? Ano? Talagang kung hindi ka sure, just switch it off, okay? Anyway, you can start again. This product operates on the fundamental principle of utilizing various bioenergies to accelerate blood circulation in the human body, promoting self-healing abilities. However, it is important to note that this increased circulation may impose a certain level of strain on the heart and lungs. Therefore, individuals with physical weakness may experience some discomfort. It is crucial for such individuals to strictly follow the scientifically recommended method of gradually increasing the intensity of the energy meter from low to high during operation. So again, it is really, really imperative, very important, lalo na po for those who have those heart and lungs, okay? Kasi po, the discomfort is very real. Kaya ka gumamit kasi you feel discomfort, baka lalong discomfort if we will not really be responsible. So again, it just says that do it gradually, especially if it's our first time. That's both for bio and BioLite. The maximum exposure, ito po, very, very important. Duration of this product should not exceed 2 times a day, with each session lasting 30 minutes. It is important to maintain a minimum interval of more than 4 hours between these sessions. So like my husband would usually have 2 times, morning and evening. So it's really more than 4 hours. So ibig sabihin, hindi po pwede, ginamit mo ng 1 o'clock, tapos 2 o'clock gagamitin mo ulit, or 3 o'clock. So at least 4 hours intervals. But again, only maximum of 2 times a day. So very, very important po. Okay. And then next, when using this product, please be cautious not to touch any part of your feet with your hands. Avoid placing only 1 foot on the metal plate and refrain from touching the metal plate with a single point, such as your tiptoe. Okay, I mentioned a while ago, hindi ganon, dapat flat talaga. Additionally, ensure that your knees do not come into contact with each other. These precautions are necessary to prevent overcurrent and the risk of burn. So just a little explanation on the layman's language. Remember, there are times that when you touch someone, para kang na-electrocute, right? So more or less, yan po yung nangyayari because aside from our own electric current or current, when you put there's an addition, diba? Kasi remember, there's technology going in your body because you are subjecting yourself to that technology. So very careful why hindi po kailangan magtabi yung knees. Okay, so ganun lang po. Okay? And using the product, kindly ensure that you keep your bare feet apart and firmly pressed against the metal plate. Wearing socks, okay? Wearing socks while using the product is strictly prohibited to prevent excessive heat build up on your feet kasi hindi po natin mararamdaman. It is also strictly prohibited to place any objects on the metal plate. Okay? When cleaning the product after use, avoid using water to wash the metal plate and operation panel. Instead, opt for a damp cloth. So parang nabasa lang ng konti na cloth, gently wipe them clean. Okay? So what we do po, we have a flannel. So damp it with water, but also we dry it with dry flannel, okay, and then we cover with plastic. For prolonged periods of non-use, please ensure to power off the product. Well, in this case, we really, every after use, we really unplug everything. And then we take it out. So it's better that way for safety. And number 7, important reminder, prior to using this product, please be sure to read the instruction manual carefully and adhere strictly to the safety instructions provided. So hindi po ito yung normal na phone. Ay, alam mo na yan, bubuksan mo. Please let us read it very carefully. Okay, so we are on our last part. Ito po yung the BioLite and the Bio. Okay, the not really the difference, but so that we know the feature of each of them. Okay. iTerra BioLite and iTerra Bio. So it has the same thing, except this has the picture. Okay, just to show you, this one here is the one that is called energy board. Yan, ayan po. So ilalapat natin. Ito pong Bio, as you can see, parang meron siyang cover. Okay, the BioLite is very exposed. So that's one feature that is different, okay, unique of each of them. So BioLite and Bio, let's start with that. It both has terahertz precision detection. It has both biological sinusoidal resonant frequency, graphene far infrared thermal energy, handy wired controller, ergonomics patent design, waterproof patent design, microcurrent foot reflexology patent design. Grabe, no? Marami pong patent, okay? Powerful intensity design, 10-level intensity design, timer function. Okay, sorry about that. Intelligent overheating protection system, novel heat dissipation protection design, fireproof ABS material, smart chip control, and the most important thing, PEMF or the pulsed electromagnetic fields, pareho pong meron. Okay? But for our medyo white lang po, this smart chip control, 2nd generation po for BioLite and 3rd generation po for Bio. And then for powerful intensity design, for BioLite is mild enhanced version, and for iTerra Bio is enhanced version. So there are 2 features, 500 ions, sterilization and deodorization on foot and energy board. Ito pong ion, ito lang po ang wala sa BioLite na meron sa Bio. Okay? So, thank you very much for listening tonight, and I hope we all learned.